So the third problem is to find the surface area of the surface formed by rotating the graph of the curve y equals x squared from x equals 0 to x equals the square root of 2 along the y-axis. The equation we are going to use is the surface area will equal the integral of 2 pi x times the square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared dx. So our first step is to find our dy over dx, which is just going to be the equation of the curve, which is y equals x squared. So the derivative of x squared equals 2x. And now we're just going to square it. Which is 4x squared. So now we are ready to plug our values into the equation. Keep in mind that it goes from x equals 0 to x equals square root of 2, so that is going to be our bounds. We're going to take the 2 pi out as it is a constant, and we can just put that in later on and not worry about it while we're integrating the problem. Square root of 2, 0. So it's going to be x times the square root of 1 plus 4x squared dx. Alright. So looking at this, you just kind of get the urge to do it 1 plus 2x. Like just get the square root of this, but that would not be correct. We're going to have to use u substitution, and the u values are going to be what's under the square root, which is 1 plus 4x squared. The derivative of this is 8x dx. We're going to divide the 8, so it's going to be out of this problem, so we can just, use the x as our du in this equation, equals x dx. Alright, and these values are not matching our u, so we have to put them into this equation to replace the bounds. So u of the square root of 2 equals 1 plus 4 rad 2 squared, which equals 9. And we're going to do the same for 0, and that's going to equal 1. Alright, so our new equation is going to look like 2 pi over 8 9, 0, rad u du. So this is technically just u to the 1/2, and 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So our derivative of this is going to be 2u to the 3/2 over 3. Remember, our bounds are 9 and 0, and our constant is still left out of the equation, and we're going to simplify a little bit, so it's just going to be pi over 4, so the fraction is simplified. And now we just plug our values in, so 2, 9 to the 3/2, over 3, minus 2 to the 0. Sorry, this is supposed to be 1, as I had said previously. That was a mistake. 3/2 over 3. Times pi over 4. So this value is 18, and this value is 2/3. Which is going to just equal and then we take the pi over 4, so we subtract these two and then multiply it by pi over 4, which is going to equal 13 pi over 3, and that is the answer to this problem.